Dr. William Lee's wisdom on food as medicine has revolutionized how we think about nutrition and health, especially for those over 50 experiencing the DNA shock that comes with aging. His research into how certain foods can rebuild cells and even stop cancer has helped countless people take control of their health journey through simple dietary choices. Among his most powerful discoveries is the dynamic duo for longevity that might already be sitting in your kitchen: ginger and turmeric. These two humble spices, when incorporated into your daily routine, can offer remarkable benefits for cellular health, longevity, and overall wellness. Before we embark on this journey of discovery, please take a moment to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us bring these crucial health insights to a wider audience, fostering a community dedicated to wellness and longevity. You can easily find both ginger and turmeric in the fresh produce section of your local grocery store or any Asian market. If you prefer convenience, simply wander into the middle aisle and head to the spice section where you'll find them dried and ground. Don't be intimidated by using these powerful ingredients. They're accessible to everyone and can be incorporated into your meals in countless ways. Turmeric, originating from Southeast Asia, is a small cigar-shaped root with a thin skin that, when peeled away or broken open, reveals a vibrant orange interior. This colorful root has been a staple in Southeast Asian and Indian cuisines for centuries and has been used in traditional Ayurvedic healing and medicine for thousands of years. What makes turmeric so powerful is its active compound called curcumin, a bioactive substance with remarkable properties for your health. Curcumin is truly the original anti-inflammatory substance, helping to lower inflammation throughout your body. This is crucial because inflammation is at the root of many chronic conditions that develop as you age. What's even more impressive is curcumin's ability to cut off the blood supply, feeding cancer cells. It's anti-angiogenic, a property that Dr. Lee himself helped discover through his groundbreaking research. By preventing new blood vessels from forming to feed tumors, curcumin can help starve cancer cells before they have a chance to grow and spread. Your DNA contains the genetic instructions that make you who you are, and protecting it is essential for preventing mutations that can lead to cancer. Curcumin acts as an antioxidant, shielding your DNA from damage and helping to maintain its integrity. Additionally, turmeric has been shown to slow down cellular aging, not by magically turning back the clock, but by helping your cells remain in a more youthful state. It can even slow down the shortening of telomeres, those crucial fuses at the end of your DNA that naturally burn down as you age. By preserving telomere length, turmeric helps maintain your cellular health for longer. Ginger, another remarkable root, complements turmeric perfectly in the quest for better health. You'll recognize ginger in the grocery store as a knobby, tan-colored root that resembles a cactus centerpiece with multiple little arms sticking out. If you've ever enjoyed sushi, you're familiar with those delicate, paper-thin slices of pickled ginger served alongside. This versatile ingredient adds depth and warmth to stir-fries, Thai and Vietnamese dishes, soups, and countless other cuisines with its delicate yet potent flavor profile. The star compound in ginger is gingerol, which, like curcumin, boasts powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Gingerol also demonstrates the ability to cut off blood supply to tumors, making it another natural cancer-fighting agent. Beyond this, gingerol can improve your metabolism and help lower lipid levels in your bloodstream, contributing to better cardiovascular health. If you've ever struggled with peeling fresh ginger, here's a professional tip that will save you time and frustration. Instead of using a knife, grab a tablespoon from your silverware drawer. Hold the spoon in one hand with the curved side facing the ginger, and simply scrape the edge of the spoon against the skin. This method effortlessly removes just the thin outer layer without wasting any of the precious root beneath. A quick and easy technique that professional chefs swear by. When you combine ginger and turmeric, their complementary properties create a powerful synergy that can address several aspects of health, particularly as you age. Joint health is often a primary concern for those over 50, as years of use lead to wear and tear, resulting in inflammation, pain, and osteoarthritis. The combined anti-inflammatory effects of ginger and turmeric can provide natural relief for these conditions. Rather than immediately reaching for non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, incorporating these spices into your daily meals offers a gentler, food as medicine approach to easing joint discomfort and improving mobility. Brain health is another area where this spice duo shines. As you age, you certainly want to avoid cognitive decline, those moments of forgetfulness that start with misplaced keys and can progress to more serious memory issues. Research suggests that brain inflammation plays a significant role in cognitive deterioration, and both turmeric and ginger contain compounds that help reduce this inflammation. Oxidative stress also damages neurons in your brain, and the antioxidant properties of these spices help protect these vital cells from harm. By incorporating ginger and turmeric into your diet as part of an overall healthy lifestyle, you're providing your brain with natural compounds that help preserve cognitive function and mental clarity. Cardiovascular health benefits tremendously from these two spices as well. Inflammation within your blood vessels creates the perfect environment for atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque that narrows your arteries and increases your risk of heart attack and stroke. This accumulation of lipids and inflammatory proteins forms a crust on the inside of your blood vessels, compromising blood flow to vital organs. The anti-inflammatory effects of ginger and turmeric help counter this process by reducing the inflammation that triggers plaque formation. More importantly, Gingerol and Curcumin directly support the health of your endothelial cells, the crucial inner lining of your blood vessels. By nurturing these cells, these compounds promote better blood flow throughout your entire body. Poor vascular health doesn't just affect your heart, it impacts every system in your body. When blood vessels narrow due to inflammation and plaque buildup, it can lead to peripheral arterial disease, which might manifest as leg cramps after walking short distances. You might find yourself needing to stop and rest after walking just 100 feet through a parking lot or shopping center because your leg muscles aren't receiving enough oxygen. This is your body's warning sign that your blood vessels aren't functioning optimally. By improving blood flow with the help of ginger and turmeric, you're supporting not just your heart, but also your brain function, leg health, and even erectile function. Good circulation is essential for every part of your body to work properly. The beauty of using ginger and turmeric as part of your health routine is their versatility in the kitchen. Whether you choose to use them fresh or in their dried form, these spices can enhance countless dishes with their distinctive flavors. If you're unsure how to incorporate them into your cooking, simply search online for ginger and turmeric recipes, or watch instructional videos that demonstrate different techniques and dish ideas. From warming teas and smoothies to curries, stir-fries, and even baked goods, the possibilities are endless. Each delicious creation becomes an opportunity to nurture your body with these powerful healing ingredients. What makes Dr. Lee's approach to health so compelling is its accessibility. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated regimens, just two simple spices that have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. His research has simply confirmed what ancient healing traditions have known all along. Nature provides powerful tools for supporting human health. By bringing these time-tested ingredients into the light of modern science, Dr. Lee has helped bridge the gap between traditional wisdom and contemporary healthcare. As you navigate the journey of aging, having natural allies like ginger and turmeric in your daily routine can make a significant difference in how you feel and function. Their combined benefits for joint health, brain function, and cardiovascular wellness address some of the most common concerns people face as they grow older. Rather than accepting declining health as inevitable, you can take proactive steps through your food choices to maintain vitality and wellness for years to come. The wisdom shared here represents just a fraction of what Dr. Lee has discovered about food as medicine. His research continues to uncover the healing potential of everyday ingredients, empowering people to take control of their health through informed dietary choices. By understanding how specific foods and spices interact with your body at the cellular level, you gain valuable tools for protecting your DNA, fighting inflammation, and potentially even preventing serious diseases like cancer. If you found this information valuable and want to join a community of like-minded individuals interested in optimizing their health through natural means, please take a moment to like this video, share it with friends and family who might benefit, and subscribe to see more content on food as medicine. Your comments are also incredibly valuable. Share your experiences with ginger and turmeric, or ask questions about incorporating them into your lifestyle. Together, we can create a supportive community dedicated to natural health and longevity. Remember that the power to influence your health journey lies largely in your daily choices, and something as simple as adding these 2 spices to your meals could make a remarkable difference in how you age. The wisdom of using food as medicine is available to everyone. It just takes the decision to begin.